The last question of this chapter, last question. Okay. Yeah. So 1.16, na? Yeah. Following is a trial balance of a construction company. Okay. Execution of contract number 303. It's a number given to the contract for easy identification. For the year ended 31st December 2015. Debit credit. Contractee's account. Amount received. Okay, 3 lakhs. Building. Fixed assets. It will go on the asset side. Creditors, liability, bank balance, asset. Capital account, liability, material, wages, expenses, and plant. This will be a part of my. Yes, Amida, this is also type 4. Trial balance diya hai na, isliye. Okay. All this will come in my contract account. I will check what is the breakup of it. 8,72,000 पे आपका contract tally, I mean trial balance tally हो रहा है. And now, yeah. The work on contract number 303 was commenced on 1st January 2015. Very good. So आपका closing क्या है? 31st December. तो पूरा 12 months है. Material costing 1,70,000 was sent to the site. So this is incoming goods. Yeah. But those of rupees 6,000 were destroyed in an accident. The material destroyed in an accident. Okay, I will see what to do with that. Wages of 1,80,000 were paid during the year. Okay. Plant costing rupees 50,000 was used on the contract through all the year. All through the year. Plant with a cost of 2 lakhs was used from 1st January to 30th September. Okay. So 1st January to 30th September is how much? 9 months. Okay, don't forget that. And then was returned to stores. Okay. Materials of cost of 4,000 were at site on 31st December 2015. So this is my closing stock. Okay. So ये जो part है ना, this part of the question is very important and very tricky also. Okay, yeah. The last part is easy. Contract was for 6 lakh. So this is my contract price. And contractee pays 75% of the work certified. The cash received is how much? 75% of work certified. Then work certified was 80% of total contract work at the end of 2015. So work certified is 80% of contract price. Uncertified work was estimated at 15,000. Okay. Expenses are charged to the contract at 25% of wages. Okay. Plant is to be depreciated at 10% for the entire year. Prepare contract number 303 account for the year 2015 and make out the balance sheet as on that date in the books of the construction company. ठीक है, ये सम जितना इजी दिख रहा है उतना इजी नहीं है. ठीक है, वो जो बीच का पार्ट है ना, that paragraph, that is damn important and tricky paragraph. ठीक है. Now the grid lines in this notebook is very small, so I will not waste time here. I'll open another book for this and I will yeah. I'll solve it here because here the grid lines are more big. Now I'll do it here better. And the big grid lines so that it is visible to you. Okay, so chalo, let us start. So make a contract account. Okay. Yeah. Okay, a P&L account. So this is my contract account. So just write your contract account. Okay, make a P&L account just below this. Yeah. Small one, not much. ज़्यादा बड़ा मत बनना. Hardly 2-3 आइटम ही है उसमें. Yeah. Okay. Make a balance sheet also here. And then working note accordingly we will do it इसके नीचे. Okay. With the heading. Yeah. Balance sheet. As on 31st December, what was the date? 31st December 2015 is the date. Okay, 31st December 2015. Okay, so this is my liability. Amount, assets. In the rupees also. And this is my P&L account. This one. Okay. Right. So let us start. So let us first start with raw material consumed, obviously. So to raw material consumed. So working note is required. Okay. Yeah. So let us calculate. So I'm doing the working note iske niche. Yeah. So working note number 1, raw material consumed. Okay. So start. First opening stock. Then add incoming goods. Incoming goods may have material sent to site. How much? 1,70,000. Okay. Less outgoing. So outgoing mein what do I have? Material lost by accident. Material lost by accident. 6,000. And closing stock. Closing stock. How much? It was 4,000. And total this. So 1,70,000 minus 6 is 1,66,000. No, 1,64,000. 1,64,000 minus 4 is 1,60,000. So my answer is 1,60,000. Write it here in raw material consumed. 1,60,000. Okay, Shreyas, very good. Okay. And don't forget, इसका second effect will come to P&L, debit side, and इसका because ये adjustment है ना, इसका second effect will come to balance sheet asset side. Okay, don't forget this. So 6,000 का second effect दे दो. to material lost by accident. 6,000. Okay. And yeah, balance sheet asset side. Okay, so let me write first is fixed assets. Okay, so fixed assets mein what do you have? Building is there in the sum, yeah. Then plant is there, yeah. Then current assets. Current assets में ये closing stock. Okay. या material at site पे लिख सकते हो. Give the second effect. Clear till here? यहाँ तक समझ में आया? Yeah. Acknowledge in the chat box. Okay. One more important thing I'll show it to you. Yeah, look at the sum. If you look into the sum, see material in the trial balance. कितना है? 1,70,000. But नीचे अपने को कितना बोला है in the adjustment? 1,07,000. Sorry, in the trial balance it is 2 lakhs, and in the adjustment they have said material costing that was sent to site, to the construction site, was 1,70,000. But the trial balance is showing 2 lakhs. Okay, so ये variation क्यों आ रहा है? Yeah, so this I'll discuss. Okay, so yeah, what was I discussing? I was discussing that material in the trial balance is 2 lakhs, but the information down says material costing rupees 1,70,000 was sent to site. Okay, so why is this variation in the calculation? Okay, it can be na. Zaruri you will have only one type of raw material. You can have more than one type of raw material. Okay. Yeah. So I'll show you the bifurcation of this. Yeah. Just pay attention here. I'm continuing in working note number 1 only. So trial balance shows raw material is how much? 2 lakhs. Out of which 1,70,000 information is there in the adjustment, जिसको मैंने tally कर दिया है. Okay. So this one type of raw material is done. Can you see this? Yeah. Can you see this? Raw material consumed, I got 1,60,000. Yeah. So this part, first part of the raw material is solved. What about the balance 30,000? This is unsold stock lying with me still in the construction site. This is also my closing stock. So there are two closing stock. One this 4,000 wala and one this, which is lying. Okay, 2 lakhs ka stock is given, raw material. Correct? How much? 2 lakhs. Out of this 2 lakhs, 1,70,000 I have already sorted. Okay. See here, I have already sorted this 1,70,000. But the balance 1,70,000, sorry, the balance 30, it is there in the opening trial balance with me. Okay, so obviously it is still unsold. So this is also closing stock for me. Okay, am I clear about this? Is this 2 lakh ka breakup clear to everyone? 2 lakh ka 1,70,000 we have already solved, raw material consumed, and 30,000 ka unsold still lying with you at the construction site, that is your closing stock. Okay, yeah. So yeah, ट्रायल बैलेंस में एक ही इफेक्ट होता है, एडजस्टमेंट्स के दो इफेक्ट्स होते हैं, इसलिए ये 4000 का दो इफेक्ट्स था. ओके, ट्रायल बैलेंस वाले का एक ही इफेक्ट आएगा. सो गो टू योर बैलेंस शीट, राइट हियर. You can write your closing stock or you can write material at site. Working note number 1. How much? 30,000. Yeah. So this was one of the important part of the question. Yes. Then the important part was wages. कितना है? Wages 1,80,000. So write down wages, contract account debit side 1,80,000. Okay. Next. Next. Expenses is how much? 47,000. Okay, but नीचे कुछ बोला है. Expenses in the trial balance is 40 see, wages is 1,80,000 और नीचे भी देखो एडजस्टमेंट भी wages कितना है 1,80,000. तो it tallies, ऊपर भी 1,80,000, नीचे भी 1,80,000. But material did not tally. Material was in the trial balance 2 lakh and in the adjustment it was 1,70,000. So there was a difference of 30 which I have put it under unsold stock. Okay, that is closing stock. Wages was 1,80,000. Here also down it is 1,80,000. So there is no adjustment in wages. Okay. Now come to expenses. Expenses here is how much? 47,000. See, expenses are how much? 47,000 in the trial balance. और नीचे देखो क्या बोला है? Expenses should be charged to the contract at 25% of wages. Okay? Yeah. So let us solve that. So working note number 2. Okay? Yeah. Coming to working note number 2. Yeah, Hinal, very good. Yes, that's right. Okay. So let me calculate. Trial balance के हिसाब से expenses is how much? 47,000. Okay. But as per the adjustment, what are they telling you? Expenses should be how much? 25% of wages. Okay. So wages is how much? 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 का 25%. जिनल ने just calculate करके बताया था अभी. 1,80,000 का 25% is how much? 45,000. Okay. So this is 45,000. Okay. तो इसका मतलब है there is a balance. There is a balance of how much? 2,000. So this 2,000 ka balance is what? Anyone can tell me? Anyone wants to try this? Trial balance is showing 47. Adjustments is showing 45. ये 2,000 क्या है? Outstanding? हे भगवान, पूरा अकाउंटिंग टर्मिनोलॉजी आप लोग ने चेंज कर दिया. आउटस्टैंडिंग कैसे हो सकता है? Yeah, Aditi, very good. Prepaid, yes. खुशी, yes, very good. That's prepaid, yes. ज्यादा भर दिया ना तुमने. कितना भरना था तुम्हें? 45 भरना था. ट्रायल बैलेंस कितना दिखा रहा है? 47 दिखा रहा है. तो तुमने 2,000 ज्यादा भर दिया है. It's prepaid. Yeah, Shreyas, even your answer is right. Samrita, yes, prepaid. Okay, so this is prepaid. Prepaid expense. Okay, yeah. So prepaid expense, it is in the trial balance. Only one effect. Prepaid expense will go where? Balance sheet, assets side. Okay, yeah. And this 45,000 will go where? Contract account, debit side. Clear? ठीक है, तो चलो लिखो, write it in the trial balance. Yep. Prepaid expense, working note number 2. How much? 2000. And 2 expenses, working note number 2, 45,000. Okay. ठीक है. Now next is what? Okay, next is next is plant. So this will help me to calculate depreciation. Okay, let us check plant. बस यही लास्ट टीडीएस पार्ट है अभी इसमें. 2,50,000 नीचे क्या दिया है? let me read. 2,50,000 का plant, but what have they said? Plant of rupees 50,000. Plant costing, cost price is 50,000, was used throughout the year, all through the year, matlab for 12 months. And there was one more plant which was costing rupees 2 lakhs, which was used from 1st January to 30th September. And then they are saying then it was returned to the stores. Okay, very good. Let me do that. Okay. And depreciation is how much? 10% they are saying for the entire year. Okay, fine. So let me calculate that. Come to the adjustment of plant. So I'll do it here. Okay, so working note number 3. Working note number 3, depreciation. Okay, okay. So trial balance में plant is how much? 2,50,000. Okay. They have given you the breakup. Yes. Plant 1, first plant, उसका cost price बोला है 50,000 है. और एक plant है plant 2, उसका cost price बोला है 2 लाख है. बराबर है, मैच हो रहा है ना. 2,50,000 टोटल है, 50 एक है, दूसरा 2 लाख है. 2 लाख प्लस 50 इज 2 लाख, जो टैली हो रहा है. अगर बचता ना तो फिर मैं बैलेंस और एक प्लांट देता. ओके, यहाँ पे अटेंशन. सपोज स्टूडेंट्स लिसन, if this figure in the trial balance was 3 lakh, suppose, so this is plant 1, plant 2, फिर बैलेंस बचता ना, और एक बैलेंस बचता 50 का, फिर उसको मैं plant 3 कंसिडर करती. What the logic? Clear? Acknowledge in the chat box. For this logic clear, which I just explained about plant? Yeah. So रट्टा मत मारना, ठीक है? Yeah. So the first plant they have said its depreciation is for 12 months. And second plant is used from 1st January 2015 to 30th September 2015. So that makes it to 9 months. Okay? Yeah. So let me give depreciation. Okay, now let's see. Calculate depreciation. So depreciation is equal to 50,000 into 10% is how much? 5,000. Next depreciation. Depreciation 2 lakhs, 10%, 9 months. 2 lakhs, 10% for 9 months. So 9 divided by 12, 15,000. So how much is my depreciation? 15. Okay. So total depreciation is how much? 5,000 plus 15,000. 20,000. ठीक है? यहाँ सानिया मिलेगा 20,000 का depreciation है. Okay. So डाल दो इधर contract account debit side right here. So depreciation working note number 4. No, 3. Working note number 3, 20,000. Okay. Everyone understood? Everyone, is it clear? Depreciation is clear? Chalo, very good. If it is clear, yeah. Now, there is an extension to depreciation. Please pay attention for it. There is an extension to depreciation. Please pay attention for it. The earlier sum which we did, usme the plant which was returned, it was used throughout the year. End में भेजा था 31st December को plant return था. तो पूरा use करने के बाद return किया ना तुमने. Yeah. So when I was doing theory with you of contract costing, मैंने आपको for depreciation I had told you one concept. Okay. Related expenses and not related expenses. I had told you about this concept. तो जो contract account में जाता है, when I make a contract account, the debit side, whatever I debit, these are all related expenses. Everyone agrees to this? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Everyone remembers this? Related and unrelated expenses, expenses related to the contract, expenses not related to the contract will not come in contract account. Yes. Okay. So you all remember. Great. Okay. Yeah. But what about expenses which is not related to the contract? Okay. As a construction company, मेरे जेब से तो गया पैसा. हाँ, it is not related to my contract. I understand. But मेरे जेब से तो गया ना, right? So where will I put the not related expenses of the construction company? I will put it under the heading of P&L account. Is that clear? Yeah. So why am I recollecting this terminology with you? Because of the plant which is here, the second plant. Okay. 2 lakhs का plant है, 12 महीने का पीरियड है, उसमें से 9 months आपने यूज किया, प्लांट को यूज किया, और उसके बाद आपने 9 months के बाद प्लांट को रिटर्न किया. तो जो ये वाले प्लांट का डेप्रिसिएशन है 9 months जो आपने लगाया, ये जो प्लांट है, दिस इज रिलेटेड टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सो दैट इज व्हाई इसका डेप्रिसिएशन विल कम इन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अकाउंट. बट what about the balance 3 months when the plant was not in use? So it is unrelated to contract. This depreciation of balance 3 months where the plant is not in use. Okay. So depreciation का फंडा क्या है? Whether you use the asset or you don't use the asset, you have to give depreciation. Everybody agrees to this? Whether you use the asset or you don't use the asset, you have to give depreciation to it. Yes, everybody agrees to this. बराबर. अब इसमें भी कॉन्सेप्ट आता है रिलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन एंड नॉट रिलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन. तो जो डेप्रिसिएशन 9 months वाला है वो तो रिलेटेड है, तो दैट विल गो टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. बट जो डेप्रिसिएशन 3 मंथ्स वाला जो चार्ज करना है दैट इज अनरिलेटेड टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, तो वो कहाँ जाएगा? पीएनएल में। तो जो 3 मंथ्स वाला डेप्रिसिएशन है वो पीएनएल में जाएगा। Everybody agrees to this? Acknowledge it in the chat box. समझ में आया? What did I say? समझ में आया? What did I say? Yeah. These are minute details which you have to remember. Okay, fine, clear. So see what I'm doing here, students? Yeah, I'm extending a working note here only. Yeah. I'm just writing a working note this side there. Yeah. So ये जो 15,000 है, this is related depreciation. So when you will revise the chapter, you will come to know. So related depreciation, that is why it will be contract account debit. Okay, now I will calculate the unrelated depreciation. Yeah. So write down depreciation is equal to, yeah, 2 lakhs into 10% into 3 months. Okay. Yeah. Into 3 months. Okay. When it was not in use. Okay. So my answer is, calculate karo, 2 lakhs into 10% into 3 divided by 12. 5,000. So right here 5,000. So this will go to P&L account debit side because this is unrelated depreciation, unrelated expense. Clear? तो प्लीज रट्टा मत मारना बिकॉज लास्ट सम में भी रिटर्न टू सोर्स था बट वहां पे ऐसा कोई बैलेंस मंथ नहीं था, पूरे साल यूज करने के बाद आपने रिटर्न किया था. Okay, so put this 5,000 here. Yeah, right here to depreciation. Working note number 3. Amount 5,000. Right here, unrelated. Okay, so it will strike to you. Okay. That's it. Show the second effect. इधर दिखाओ. Yeah. Write down plant 1. सीधा WDV दिखाओ. कितना था WDV? Okay, I did not calculate the WDV. Okay, fine. So let me calculate the WDV. Cost less depreciation is WDV. 50,000 less 5,000 depreciation. So plant 1 का WDV is 45,000. Now plant 2 का WDV cost is 2 lakhs less depreciation 15,000 और वो दूसरा वाला भी 5,000 वाला unrelated. Okay, कितना हो गया? 1,80,000. This is WDV. Okay, please write it here. Asset side 1 lakh कितना? 45,000 and 1,80,000. Okay, plant 2. Okay, building कितना था? 1,60,000. और क्या था इसमें, बैंक बैलेंस भी था 35,000। और कुछ था क्या, कैपिटल था, यस, कैपिटल was 5 lakhs. Then creditors था, yes, creditors was 72,000. डेटर्स नहीं था तो हम भी नहीं लेंगे, ठीक है, डन। नाउ yeah, all this is done, yeah, all this is done. Now let us calculate what, working capital, sorry, not working capital, what am I saying, work certified. Okay, working note number 4, work certified. So work certified is how much? It was given in the question. Work certified is how much? It is, work certified is 80% of contract price. Okay. So let me solve it. 80% of contract price. So contract price is how much? 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs by 80%. 6 8s are 48. So 4 lakh 80,000. Okay, so write it here. Contract account credit side by closing WIP, or you can add even by WIP chalega. Work certified, working note number 4, 4,80,000. And work uncertified is given in the question, 15,000. Okay, and then right here, closing WIP, short, yeah. Work certified, work uncertified, 4,80,000, then 15,000, then less cash received, less results. So whatever answer we will get, we will take it in the record. Okay. Okay. That's it. Right. Now complete this. I mean, just close this account. Which account? Yeah. Contract account. Just close it. So 4,95,000. 4,95,000 minus the debit side. Debit side is what? 1,60,000, 1,80,000, 45 and 20. 45 and 20 is 65. Okay, let me add it. 1,60,000 plus 1,50,000, no, 1,80,000 plus 65 minus 4,95,000. So 90,000 is my notional profit. So write it down. 90,000. Okay, that's my notional profit. That is the answer. Right now. Notional profit. Carry it down. Right here. By notional profit brought down 90,000. Okay, that's it. Then you know, once you get notional profit, आपको क्या करना है? You have to calculate the range. Shreyas, very good. Samita, very good. Already calculated. Okay. Now let us calculate percentage of work certified. Working note number 5. Percentage of work certified. What is the formula? Work certified upon contract price into 100. ये भी निकालने की जरूरत नहीं, ऑलरेडी है हमारे पास, तो ठीक है मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. 4,80,000 डिवाइड बाय 6 lakhs into 100. So 4,80,000 divided by 6 lakhs into 100. See 80%. हमें पता था ना, ये देखो इधर दिया हुआ है 80%. ठीक है, तो आप डायरेक्टली भी ले सकते हो, मैं ये बता रही हूँ. You'll get the same answer. So my percentage is how much? 1,80,000. So I'm falling in which range? Third range. So range is greater than equal to 50 but less than 100. So what is the formula? P&L account is equal to 2/3 into notional profit into cash received upon work certified. Okay, yeah. So 2/3 into 90,000 into cash received upon work certified का भी percentage दिया है 75. If you don't remember that or it doesn't click to you, you can calculate also. Okay, but I'm directly taking 75 because it's given in the question. Or if you want, you can calculate. आपके ऊपर है. ठीक है, you'll get the same answer. 90,000 into 75% into 3, sorry, into 2 divided by 3. So my answer is 45,000. So P&L account में कितना जाएगा? 45,000. Okay, yeah. Write it here. 45,000. Okay, right here. To P&L, working note number 5. And balance will go to reserves. Let me check. एक minute there. Contractee pays 75% of the work certified. Okay. Work certified was 80% of the total contract. So cash received is how much? That means cash received is 3 lakhs. Okay, just a minute. 3 lakhs कैसे आया? So 90 into 2 divided by 3. Okay, that's not the percentage there. Okay, fine. चलो check कर लिया. Cash received is given in the trial balance 3 lakhs. Okay, students, it's given in the trial balance. Now, sir. So it is giving me 37,500. Good, we check. Otherwise, balance sheet tally नहीं होता. It is 3 lakhs. Students given है. In the trial balance ऊपर दिया है contractee amount received. So 37,500. Okay. Balance will go to reserves. Minus 90,000. 50 to 500 will go to reserves. So write it down. 50 to 500. Okay. Reserves. Right? Yeah. P&L का second effect will come here by contract account. Okay, 37,500. And reserves का second effect will come here, 50 to 500. Okay, cash received 3 lakhs. Okay, take it in that. Then close P&L account. Yeah, 50 to 500. Sorry, 37,500. 37,500. 37,500 minus 11,000. 37,500 minus 11,000. 26,500. So right here, P&L में 26,500. Okay, this is my net profit. Okay, this net profit will go to balance sheet liability side. Your P&L account credit balance 26,500. Okay, then see whether your this tallies. Obviously, it has to tally. So my credit side is how much? Plus 72,000 plus 5 lakhs. कितना है? 5,98,000. 5,98,000. 5,98,500. Sorry, 5,98,500. 5,98,500. Let me see the debit side. I mean the asset side. First, let me calculate closing WIP. 4,80,000 plus 15,000 minus 3 lakhs minus 50 to 500. कितना हुआ? 1,40,500. Take it out. 1,40,500. Okay. Plus 35,000 plus 2,000 plus 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 1,80,000 plus 45,000 plus 1,60,000. Yes, it has to tally obviously. Okay, 5,98,500. 5,98,500. Okay. I know the sum was not that easy. I very well know that, but can't help it. Okay. Yeah. Oh, very nice. Many students have done the calculation. Very good. Very good. Who wants the last calculation? Samrita. Who wants the last working note, Samrita? That is working note number 5. ये वाला ना? Yeah. Can you see? Yeah. Working note number 5. See this. Okay. Yeah. Good, I saw that, वरना वो wrong हो जाता. Balance sheet पे tally भी नहीं होता. Cash received दिया था 3 lakhs in the trial balance में. Okay. Yeah. So that is the error which many will do, which even I did, but luckily was able to identify it. Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow I'll be starting with a new chapter, process costing. That is the last module. Okay. Yeah. And I need 12 lectures for that. So as and when I get time, I will be taking extra lectures. Okay. I want to complete the portion fast so that you get time to prepare. You can ask me doubts. Okay. Shikha is there in this meeting. Otherwise, someone take the screenshot and just send it to me across. Okay, Asmita, fine. Thank you. Yeah, thanks, Radhi. So I've done a comprehensive sum, ठीक है? एक sum revise करोगे, 2-3 sum इसी में revise हो जाएगा.